Have you ever been excited to see your source maps in action, only to be met with a frustrating error? If you're dealing with the DevTools Failed to Parse SourceMap message, you're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this issue head-on and get your Webpack project back on track. I totally understand how disheartening it can be when you finally configured your Webpack settings, only to run into this error. You're not the only one facing this challenge, and it's a common hurdle for many developers. Let's dive into the specifics of your situation. You mentioned that after setting up your source maps, you encountered the error. DevTools failed to parse source map. You even checked the URL and found a JSON file with various properties. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this parsing issue? It could stem from a variety of factors, including incorrect paths, issues with the source map format, or even server configurations. We'll break it down step by step to help you identify the root cause. And stick around. I have a valuable tip at the end that could save you a lot of time and frustration when working with source maps. To begin troubleshooting the source map issue, the user should check the Network tab in Chrome DevTools. This will help identify if the source map file is being loaded correctly. If the source map file is loading correctly, the user should then verify the contents of the source map. They can do this by opening the source map file directly in a browser or a text editor. Next, the user should ensure that the source map is correctly configured in their Webpack settings. They can check the DevTool property in their Webpack configuration file. Finally, if the issue persists, the user can enable source map debugging in Chrome. This can provide more detailed error messages about why the source map is failing to parse. Fun fact, did you know that source maps were first introduced to help developers debug their minified code? They are a lifesaver when it comes to understanding what's happening under the hood. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests that disabling adblock resolved the source map parsing error for them. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. One user suggests that Chrome extensions might be interfering with DevTools. They recommend disabling any unnecessary extensions to see if that resolves the source map parsing issue. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your source maps updated and double-check your configurations after any changes. This habit can save you from future headaches. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the source map parsing issue. Remember, troubleshooting is part of the development process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.